Hello friends, welcome in YouTube channel. I am a Samin Sheikh, working as an assistant professor in KV Naik College, Nasik. Today, I will focus on asymmetric synthesis. Asymmetric synthesis is a more important as a point of MSc second organic chemistry exam, NET set exam. It is also useful for research to map up the different types of medicine, drugs, and number of pharmaceutical products. What is mean of asymmetric synthesis? The synthesis in which formation of asymmetric compound is called as asymmetric synthesis. The asymmetric compound is also called as optically active or chiral compound. Now, what is mean of asymmetric compound? The compound possessing no any types of symmetry, then such a compound is called as asymmetric compound, means chiral compound. It is always show non-superimposable mirror images to each other, that is called as enantiomers. Before discuss the asymmetric synthesis, I will clear this some basic concept. You know that the racemic mixture is always optically inactive because the mixture containing equal amount of enantiomers. Consider the following reaction. In this reaction, formation of product, the product containing chiral carbon, but it is optically inactive because products are present in the racemic form. The next point, difference between diastereomers and enantiomers. In diastereomers, the isomer which are not mirror images to each other, that is called diastereomers. Enantiomers means non-superimposable mirror images to each other. The example of diastereomers are cis trans isomers, EJ isomers. An example of enantiomers is the Darwin and Noah, which are non-superimposable mirror images to each other. The next point, in diastereomers, all composition of chiral carbon are not inverted. Means in diastereomers, at least one composition is chain and at least one composition is same. Consider the following example. The diastereomers having complication R, then other diastereomers composition may be RS or SR. But in case of enantiomers, the complication of all chiral carbon are inverted, means change. Consider the composition of all enantiomers RR, then composition of other enantiomer RSS. If only one composition is chain in the diastereomers, then they are called as epimers. Therefore, all epimers are the diastereomers, but all diastereomers are not the epimers. The next difference, in enantiomers, the physical and chemical property of enantiomers are same except the plane of plane polarized light rotation. and behavior of enantiomers are different in chiral environment. One enantiomer rotates the plane polarized light in clockwise manner, and other enantiomers rotate the plane polarized light in the anti-clockwise manner. And behavior of enantiomer are different in chiral environment. You know that our body is a chiral because not possessing any types of symmetry. If plus hemoine or minus hemoine are go into our body, therefore plus hemoine gives smell of orange and minus hemoine gives smell of lemon. Similarly, the plus carbon enantiomers gives smell of spearmint and minus carbon isomers gives smell of caraway seed. But in case of diastereomers, the physical and chemical property of diastereomers are different. Means physical constant, melting point, boiling point, solubility, energy of activation during the reaction, the rate of reaction, one is faster form or is slower form, and many so property of diastereomers are the different. But why enantiomer gives different behavior in chiral environment? Because it forms the diastereomers or diastereomeric phase. Our reaction takes place through diastereomeric transition state, and we know that the diastereomers have different energy of activation, different reactivity, different rate of formation of product. Therefore, enantiomer gives different behavior in the chiral environment. In this diagram, the nucleophile attack on a ketone in a chiral environment. Therefore, reaction takes place through diastereomeric transition state. One transition state having lower energy and other transition state having higher energy. Therefore, lower energy transition state gives major product and higher energy transition state gives minor product. The how to obtain the optically active compound, means how to form the optically active or asymmetric compound. First, if reactant, reagent, catalyst and solvent are optically inactive, then formation of product will be always optically inactive. It can be explained by forming transition state. Consider the nucleophile attack on a ketone in a achiral environment, means all conditions are optically inactive. At that time, the reaction takes place through enantiomeric transition state. An enantiomer has same physical and chemical property, means energy of activation is also same. Therefore, gives equal amount of plus as well as equal amount of minus isomers, that is a racemic product. But during the reaction, if either any one of reactant or reagent or catalyst or solvent are optically active, then formation of product will be always optically active, that is a asymmetric compound. Because the reaction takes place through diastereomeric phase or diastereomeric transition state, and we know that the diastereomer have different physical and chemical property. Therefore, formation of only one product, only one enantiomers, and it is also called as enantioselective reaction. One enantiomer is major, another is minor. The enantioselective reaction are expressed in terms of enantiomeric excess, that is also called as EE. The enantiomeric excess is defined as the excess of one enantiomer over the other, expressed in terms of percentage. The formula for the percentage of enantiomeric excess equal to major minus minor upon major plus minor into 100. It can be explained by following example. In this reaction, the formation of two enantiomers. The major enantiomer is 98% and minor is 2%. Therefore, enantiomeric excess is 98 minus 2 gives 96%. The next point, I will focus on the asymmetric synthesis by using optically active reagent. The first reagent called as chiral reducing agent. The chiral reducing agent is obtained from optically active reactant Darwin alcohol in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Therefore, this reagent is also called as Darwin chiral reducing agent. But this reagent is only useful for acetylenic ketones. In this reagent, if hydride attack from back side, then to form the hydroxy group at the front side. In the following reaction, hydride attack from back side to form the OS at the front side. It is an optically active compound. The reaction takes place through diastereomeric phase and to form the only one enantiomers, not from the racemic mixture. The second reagent, it is the most useful reagent, that is called as CBS reducing agent, because it is useful for reduction of the many types of carbonyl compound. The CBS reagent is an analogous of chiral borohydride and it is prepared by three scientists, Corey, Bakshi and Civita. Therefore, it is also called as CBS reagent. Then, how to obtain the CBS reagent? It is obtained from one of the famous optically active reactant, that is called as prolene. The prolene in which nitrogen is protected by using BNOCOCl groups. Then next step in which formation of ester in acidic condition, and then it is converted into tertiary alcohol by using 2 moles of Grignard reagent. Then the protection of secondary amine by using HCl and NaOH. Then next step in which react with boro compound to form the optically active product, and this product used as a catalyst for the formation of the CBS reducing agent. Then this catalyst react with borohydride to form the active reducing agent. Let us focus on the different types of reaction in which by using CBS reducing agent. The first, the CBS reduction are best when ketone has two well differentiated sterically substituted groups. Means the two substituents of the ketone are different according to steric effect. One is large steric effect, that is considered as a Ra, and other having small steric effect, that is considered as a Rs. Then the reaction takes place by following manner. In this case, the CBS reagent approach on the carbonyl carbon. Consider large group present at the left side. Then reaction takes place through cyclic 6-member chair-like transition state. In this case, the hydride attack from the front side to obtain the back OS. Therefore, easily concluded that if the large groups, that is RL, is present at left side, then hydride attack from the front side and to form hydroxy group at the back side. Similarly, if large group RL is present at the right side, then hydride attack from the back side and to form the hydroxy group at front side. How to remind these two conclusions? By simple using LOB or ROF suffix. LOB means left, large group present at the left side. O means hydroxy group present at the back side at that time. And ROF means the large group present at the right side, and O means hydroxy group present at the front side at that time. Now again, consider the different types of example. In this case, the large groups present at the left side and small group present at the right side by using CBS reagent. Therefore, out of two terminology, ROF or LOB, by using LOB terminology means large group left side, at the time hydroxy group present at the back side. Therefore, in the product, OS present at the back side. In the next reaction, same terminology are used and to form the product, OS present at the back side. In this reaction, focus on the reactant. The large group present at the right hand side and small group present at the left hand side. Therefore, by using ROF terminology, in this case, the hydroxy group present at the front side. Therefore, in the product, OS present at the front side. The next reagent, that is called as Baker-Ace. It is useful for reduction of ketones carry beta ester groups or beta keto groups. Consider the following reaction. The Baker-Ace act on the carbonyl carbon and to form the OS. The nature of the Baker-Ace is optically active. Therefore, reaction takes place through diastereomeric transition state to form the enantiomers, only one enantiomers preferably. It is a asymmetric synthesis, but which OS present the which side, it cannot be assigned by any terminology because the structure of the Baker is very complex. Therefore, mechanism of this reaction is unknown, cannot be determined. Similarly, the next bacteria, Pseudomonas pudita, it is also used as a chiral agent. It is useful for the reduction of the bromobenzene to form the diol because the reaction takes place through diastereomeric phase. The reaction is the bromobenzene react with such a bacteria to form the optically active product. Now friends, up to in this video, I have completed the optically active or chiral agent, that is Darwin chiral reducing agent. The structure of this reagent is like this. Then it is useful for acetylenic ketone. It is a less enantioselective reagent. The second reagent, that is called CBS reducing agent. The structure of this reagent is like this. It is useful for the asymmetrical ketone for assignment of product by using ROF or LOB terminology. The third reagent, that is called Baker-Ace, structure is very complex. It is useful for the beta keto ester or beta carbonyl groups. No terminology here. Then fourth reason, that is called Pseudomonas purita. It is the bacterial form and it is useful for the bromobenzene. It is useful for the dihydroxylation of the bromobenzene. Here no terminology are used. In the next video I will focus on the asymmetric synthesis by using hydrogenation and dihydroxylation. Thank you so much and take care.
बस हो गया।